Imagine if I told you that the reason you're alive right now is not just luck, but the perfect size of our planet. Sounds strange, right? Many people believe that Earth is the smallest planet in our solar system, but that's not true. The smallest planet is actually Mercury. Our home, Earth, is much bigger than that. But here's where things get interesting. Earth is not too big, not too small. It is almost perfectly balanced, and this balance might be the biggest reason life exists here. Let's go back billions of years, when the solar system was just forming. Clouds of dust and gas slowly came together under gravity, forming planets of different sizes. Some became giants like Jupiter, while others remained small and rocky like Mars. But size isn't just a number, it controls everything. It decides how strong a planet's gravity is, whether it can hold an atmosphere, whether water can stay liquid, and ultimately, whether life can survive. Take Mercury, for example. It's the closest planet to the Sun, but it's also extremely small. Because of its weak gravity, it couldn't hold onto an atmosphere. No air means no protection. Temperatures swing from burning hot to freezing cold, making life impossible. Now look at Mars. Scientists believe Mars once had rivers and oceans. But because it's smaller than Earth, its gravity wasn't strong enough to hold its atmosphere for long. Over time, solar winds stripped it away, turning Mars into a cold, dry desert planet. It's like a warning from space, showing what could happen when a planet is just a little too small. Now imagine if Earth were smaller, even by 10 or 15%. Its gravity would weaken. Slowly, gases like oxygen and nitrogen would start escaping into space. The sky would thin, the air would disappear, oceans would begin to evaporate. Without enough atmosphere, harmful radiation from the sun would hit the surface directly. Life, as we know it, would struggle and eventually vanish. It's a terrifying thought, but it shows how delicate this balance really is. But what if Earth were bigger? Would that make things better? Not necessarily. A much larger Earth would have stronger gravity, pulling everything tighter. The atmosphere could become too thick, trapping excessive heat like a runaway greenhouse effect. Conditions might become extreme, similar to what we see on Venus. High pressure, intense heat, a world where survival becomes nearly impossible. So being bigger isn't the solution either. This is where Earth stands out. It sits in what scientists call the Goldilocks zone. Not too hot, not too cold, and most importantly, not too big, not too small. Its size allows it to maintain a stable atmosphere, protect liquid water, and support a magnetic field that shields us from dangerous solar radiation. Every breath you take, every drop of water you drink exists because Earth is just the right size. And here's the most mind-blowing part. Out of billions of planets in the universe, finding one with this perfect balance is incredibly rare. Scientists are still searching for Earth-like planets, but so far none have matched the exact conditions we have here. It makes you wonder, is this just a coincidence of nature or something far more extraordinary? So next time you look at the sky, remember this. We are living on a planet that got everything just right. Not the smallest, not the biggest, but perfectly designed for life. And the real question is, if Earth was even slightly different, would we even be here to ask this question?